Hi everyone, this video is about 35-inch wheels made in China. Our brand name is Sumaxx. Its tread pattern is very similar to BF Goodrich, and the rims here are a replica of Black Rhino rims. So we have here Chevrolet Suburban 2002 Z71 with 6-inch suspension lift kit from Fabtech. It's 21 years old American large SUV with Chinese wheels on Russian roads. So about the tires. Tread depth is 9 mm for brand new tires. It's less than usual 10 to 12 mm, for example, for Cooper All-Terrain or BF Goodrich All-Terrain tires. But its price in Russia now is twice less than BF Goodrich of the same 35-inch size. Comparing to Cooper Discover ATR that I used on this car previously, the Sumaxx tires are much softer and it's more comfortable on the road. In the tire fitting service, the tires required about 100 grams for each wheels for balancing, and it's considered good for such big tires. Tested these tires in snow conditions and on frozen roads, and I can say that these Chinese tires are better than Cooper ATR on snow road. On regular roads they are really comfortable, and I haven't yet tested it on off-road. Now let's talk about the rims. Previously I was using 17 on 8-inch rims on this car with 35-inch tires, and I decided to move to 9-inch width rims. The emblem, the badge in the center of the wheel, is just a sticky label, so you can put any brand here. It's worth to say about the weight of the rims. It's 11 kg per each rim, so it's much lower than for original